Happy New Year, trendsetters. It's the 3rd of January, 3 days into the new year. I feel it's still time enough to wish each and every one of you a happy new year. I'd also like to wish you a prosperous, a profitable, a patient and a persistent new year as well. I think, and this is your thought for the day, patience and persistence are the two main ingredients of a successful garden, whether it be a vegetable garden or just your general gardening. If you're out there, if you're in it all the time and you're persisting, making mistakes, learning, then eventually over time you will become an absolutely trend-setting gardener. So, Happy New Year. And why I'm standing here in this particular spot is my nightmare behind me. It's my little corner of the yard where basically everything gets dumped. And my New Year goal or priority is to clean all this up and have a Birdie's raised garden bed, corrugated iron raised garden bed right there. This has been a wish or a desire for quite a few years. I've become quite used to the raised garden beds that I have at work. I've found them just a joy to work with. Just walk up and the garden's there, it's not down the ground. No bending, my knees are getting a little bit achy and it's a lot easier to work up here than it is down on the ground. So I've got a few things to do. Clearly, I need to clean all this mess up, get it out of here. I need to level a pad because I'm on a slope here, so I need to level a pad. Once the pad's leveled, I need to retain behind there to hold up the exposed earth. Third thing, obviously, clearly, is to purchase and install the raised garden bed, which isn't going to be a cheap exercise. At the end of the day, it's in round figures, it'll come to about $700. That includes the sleepers for retaining, the raised garden bed itself, and soil to fill it with. So I'm thinking like it's going to take, there's mosquitoes everywhere if you're wondering why I'm doing this. It's going to take me 3 or 4 months. The first 3 or 4 months of the year is a tight year for me money-wise, so I'm going to have to save and do what I can as I go. But the first 2 jobs I can do is clear this mess up, get these self-sown celtus trees away from the fence line, clean up all the mess and stuff. This has just been a dump yard corner for quite a while, so I've got a bit to do there. So that's probably take care of the first month. During that month I can save for the sleepers, and then while I'm excavating and putting the retaining wall in, I can save for the garden bed. While I'm doing that, I can save for the soil, and hopefully at the end of 3 or 4 months it's all done. As I finish each step, I'll come back and talk over what I did to get there and how I got there and any problems I had along the way. So hope this isn't too boring for you. I know I'm just standing here talking about something that's going to happen, but this year is the year. It's going to happen. This is the year. Top priority, #1, nothing else matters, 100% focus. Patience and persistence. So once again, if you're a subscriber and you're watching this, Happy New Year, and thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. If you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Get down there and hit that bell. I will include a picture somewhere of the Birdies and links in the description below, a picture of the Birdies garden bed that I'm going to use. It'll be 2.2 meters long and 1.5 meters wide by 0.74 centimeters high, 74 centimeters high, metric, which is about hip height, which is good, the same height as the ones I've got at work. You just walk up and start veggie gardening. Marvellous. I'm really looking forward to getting this done. Okay, that's it. Happy New Year. Cheers, thanks for watching. Hope this wasn't too boring, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.